Your sense of taste and smell, they work together, making your food enjoyable. But many a times due to dental problem or inadequate oral hygiene, your taste buds gets affected. So if you want to reclaim your taste back, if you want your acai berries and Indian gooseberries taste better, you must watch this video till the very end. Before starting with this video, do subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I am posting informative videos for your health education. By doing tongue scraping correctly and with dexterity, you can improve your taste buds. Tongue scraping has been a recommended practice in Ayurveda, followed ever since 5000 years ago. Only recently, it has gained a lot of attention in the West. And have you ever wondered why a doctor sometimes asks you to stick out your tongue? Well, tongue diagnosis has been a part of Ayurveda to find out the workings of the body. And this is also more relevant in COVID-19 times when infection due to SARS-CoV-2 can be easily seen on the tongue, manifested as COVID tongue, tongue coating. If it is coupled with loss of sense of taste and smell, along with breathlessness, dry cough and fever, you should immediately take medical intervention and consult your physician. More than 90% of the cases, foul smell coming from the oral cavity is due to metabolic output of the bacteria which is present on the dorsum of the tongue. So what is the role of tongue scraping? Why tongue scraping is necessary? Tongue scraping not only clears the tongue of the dead bacteria, toxins, but it also improves our taste buds. Tongue scraping has a role that goes beyond detoxification. As per Ayurveda, it not only stimulates our tongue, but also improves our digestion. Tongue scraping improves the power of our taste buds only if it is done with dexterity. And do you know, due to wisdom tooth extraction or infection or due to inadequate oral hygiene, your taste buds gets affected? Well, do comment below in the comment section as yes or no and share your experiences there. So what is the right technique of doing tongue scraping? Well, as per Ayurveda, tongue scraping should be done with gold, silver or copper tongue scraper. But due to availability and affordability issues, a stainless steel tongue scraper is more popular and can be used for the same. Tongue scraping should be done as a part of your daily morning routine by taking the tongue scraper as far backward as possible and then coming down to the tip of the tongue. And as you all know, it hardly takes 10 seconds. A word of caution here, brushing your tongue with a toothbrush is not equivalent to doing tongue scraping, as it just relocates the bacteria from point A on the dorsum of the tongue to point B. Tongue scraping should not be done with a plastic tongue scraper due to health reasons and, more importantly, due to global warming impact, as in most of the countries, disposal of plastic is not done in the best of way. Well, I think I have given quite an information today. If you have liked this video, do comment, share and subscribe. And above all, take best care of your health and follow hand hygiene and mask etiquette. Thank you for watching my video.